You know what I mean? When you have brows, you have a better day. When your brows look good, you have a better day. I wanted to introduce you guys to my new baby, Marley. Say hi, Marley. She turned 5 months old yesterday, and she's a handful. She's really looking at herself in the viewfinder. Hey guys, my name is Amber Marion. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hey. And if you're not new here, well then welcome back. As you could tell by the title of today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing and giving my honest review of Candy Brow Bar products. So if you want to see how I feel about the products as well as see the packaging and all of that good stuff, keep watching. I haven't been in front of my camera in so long that everything feels a little weird. I'm like, wait, am I doing this right? Am I talking too fast? Is my lighting right? I clearly have a new backdrop. If you guys want a life update, let me know. We could do like a get ready with me, life update, kind of chit chat video. A lot has gone on. I feel like I haven't uploaded a video in probably like 3 months, I would say. It's been crazy. Last month, I lost my dog, Coco, very unexpectedly. I celebrated my 1-year wedding anniversary, so a lot has been going on. If you want that life update, let me know in the comments below, but let's get into what we're here for today, and that is to unbox and review Candy Brow Bar. So, this is the box that it comes in. And I thought it was a super cute packaging. They paid attention to detail. I've been following Candy Brow Bar on Instagram now for quite some time, for like quite a few years. I have a few friends that have gone to the Atlanta Brow Studio location and get their brows tinted there. So I've always been very interested in the product. And about a month ago, I was like, you know what? Let me just order it. Why not? I actually signed up for a while ago their text alerts, which I will leave all that info in the description box below because they will literally text you when they're having sales. So I got a text, everything is 80% off, and I was like, you know what? That's a sign. Let me place my order. So I showed you guys the box. And now let's get into inside the box. So when you get your box, like I said, the packaging is super cute, very well put together. Comes with like a little advertisement card. So I purchased 3 products. Actually, since I've placed this order, received this order, I've already placed 2 more orders. The shipping was super quick. They shipped from Atlanta, Georgia, and I'm in New Jersey. And I would say I ordered it on a Thursday, and I believe I got it that Monday. So it was very quick shipping time, which I love. That's probably what prompted me to place 2 more orders. Plus, once I got the products, I was like, wow, these are really good, high-quality products. Today I actually have no product on my brows besides clear brow gel, and I'm on day 4 or 5 of my second tinting application. So a lot of the reviews, well, let's get into the unboxing and then I'll review the product. How about that? So let's get into the 3 products that I purchased from Candy Brow Bar. So I purchased step 1 and step 2, which is the developer and the tint. I purchased the tint in dark brown. They do have 3 colors, light brown, dark brown, and black. I did see a lot of people were mixing black and dark brown to achieve a really dark brow. But me personally, I don't want a super dark brow, so I went with the dark brown for myself. However, like I said, I did place 2 more orders since receiving this, so I did get the light brown and black just to have on hand, do my friend's brows, I don't know. And the 3rd item that I got is the blending wipes. I think it's a little hard to see because of the way the packaging is. And those were the 3 products I purchased. Like I said, I purchased it during the 80% off sale. So I think altogether with shipping, I got all 3 products for like $20. I think it came to like $20 and some change. And then the next 2 orders I placed actually weren't 80% off, but who cares, right? So let me get into a little bit of my personal review on the products. 2 of the reviews I saw on YouTube actually said that the product didn't last up to its 2-week claim. The product does on the website claim to last up to 2 weeks. So before I even got on here and reviewed the product, well, opened the product, I wanted to review it myself and see how many days I got out of one application. And I personally got, I would say 7 or 8 days before they really started looking sparse. And mind you, I tried to keep good care of them as far as like washing around them, but there was a couple of days, you know what I mean? They got wet. It was what it was. So I was happily surprised that the product lasted 8 days. Like I said, this is my second application, and this is like day 3 or 4, I think, of my second application. So what I will say is it's definitely a great investment, especially right now where all we're wearing outside is masks. The only thing you can really see is your eyelashes and your eyebrows. And I've been saying this for months. I think I've said it in like 3 or 4 videos. But the focus for like 2021 is going to be lashes and eyebrows because that's the only thing people could see. So this is a great alternative to like having to draw eyebrows on every day if you have really thin eyebrows, days you don't wear makeup. So I really felt like I was put together on days that I had nothing on my face because I'm like, oh, my brows look perfect. So to me, in my personal opinion, I highly recommend the Candy Brow Bar products. Like I said, I've already placed 2 more orders since receiving this order. I'm sorry for the lighting. It's like a super gloomy winter day today, which is crazy. So I noticed that I have a little bit of a shadow. This is just a little temporary backdrop. I was tired of using those fabric backdrops. I was getting over it. It was looking tacky. I'm like, no, we're not doing that no more. So in the meantime, here we are in front of one of my windows. So overall, I was super impressed with Candy Brow Bar's products, from the texture, the quality, to how long they lasted, the packaging, the shipping was quick. All in all, I was so impressed that like I said, I placed 2 more orders. I definitely think this is a service that I want to start offering. I do have some really good tips and tricks for the application of brow tint. One thing I will say is do not use a angled brush or any sort of makeup brush because brow tint is going to stick to those hairs and not your eyebrow hairs. So I have a little trick. I don't know if you guys want a tutorial on how to tint your brows. Let me know. Let me know in the comments below. Because I don't want to make a video if y'all don't want to see it. And I don't want to give away the sauce if nobody wants to, you know, grab some of it. I will leave a link to Candy Brow Bar in the description below, as well as what 3 products I purchased. I really, like I said, it really lasted, I would say about 8 to 9 days before you could start to see the sparseness in my brows come back. So I was really happy with that because I feel like, you know what I mean? When you have brows, you have a better day. When your brows look good, you have a better day. And it was super easy. It took me a minute to like kind of get the hang of the application, but it was super easy. If you liked this video, please make sure you leave a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Let me know whether or not you'd like to see a brow tint tutorial. Let me know what else you want to see. Like I said, we could do a life update, let you know where I've been. But until then, I'll see you guys in the next video.